want to ask something. If I leave your daddy,
No! That's a bad idea. That's a bad idea.
no, it's for example lang. And I'm gonna leave your daddy. Are you going to with me? Are you
No.
going with me or are you staying?
So not good.
Good?
Not good.
Why not good?
Eh,
Why not good?
Good one. Good one.
O sige, you're gonna stay here.
Bats there.
You're gonna stay here.
There's bats there.
Huh?
There's bats. When it's night, there's bats.
It's okay. I'm not afraid of bats.
Wala ka dyan.
Wala ka din dyan. If I go,
Oh!
stay, aray!
How about
If-
that? Mm.
If I go,
Stay here, huh?
stay.
Ah!
But I want to go eh.
No!
I want to leave
No.
your daddy na.
Huh?
I want to leave your daddy. Aray!
How about that? Hmm.
Hindi mo yata ako love eh.
Ano ko?
Ha?
Yung one.
Hindi na. Kaya nga sasama ka nga kay mami.
Nga.
We come with mommy. Let's leave daddy.
No!
No?
Bala ko dyan. I'm so mad.
Bakit naman?
You gonna leave me too.
Hindi, sasama ka nga sa akin eh.
There. Ah.
Yan, sige. Why you hate me? Why?